Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today we're talking about a product that promises to elevate your brow game, whether you're looking for a little more hold, shape, or even thickness. It's the iredale PureBrow Brow Gel in the shade Ash Blonde. Let's dive into what this gel can do for your brows and whether it's worth adding to your beauty routine. So let's break it down. The PureBrow Brow Gel is designed to give your brows flexible hold with a creamy gel formula that's meant to shape, groom, and visibly thicken your brows for a fuller look. The product comes with a Micro-Spoolie brush, making it super easy to apply with precision. The shade Ash Blonde is a great choice for those with lighter brows or those looking for a more neutral tint that's not too warm or too cool. When I first started using this, I really appreciated the ease of the application. The Micro-Spoolie is small enough that you can really target those sparse areas, giving you the control you need to get those brows looking natural but still defined. It doesn't feel sticky or crunchy like some brow gels can. The flexibility in the hold is really noticeable. Your brows stay in place, but they still feel soft, like you haven't overdone it with product. Now let's get into performance. I tested this gel both in the morning and throughout the day, and it held up surprisingly well. My brows didn't feel weighed down, and I didn't have to touch them up. Plus, the color payoff is decent for a brow gel, especially when it comes to thickness. My brows definitely looked fuller without looking overly made up. It's perfect for that natural, everyday look. However, for those with very thick or unruly brows, this might not be enough to tame them for long periods. It does offer a light hold, but those looking for extreme control might need a stronger formula. One thing to note is the texture. The gel itself is creamy but lightweight, which I find ideal for daily wear. It doesn't flake or dry out, which is a common issue with some brow gels. However, I did notice that if I applied too much, it could feel a little clumpy, so less is definitely more here. A little goes a long way, especially with the precision of the Micro-Spoolie. So what are the pros? The iredale PureBrow Brow Gel is fantastic for adding definition and fullness without looking too overdone. It's easy to apply, has a natural finish, and gives a flexible hold that won't make your brows feel stiff. If you're someone who likes a more natural, effortless brow look, this gel is a great option. Plus, the fact that it's from iredale, a brand known for its use of natural ingredients, makes it a solid choice if you're mindful of what's going on your skin. On the flip side, cons would be that it might not be suitable for those who need heavy-duty brow control or for those with really thick, wild brows. While it thickens and shapes, it's not the strongest hold out there. Also, the price point might be a factor for some. It's on the higher end for a brow gel, but considering its performance and the brand reputation, it's justified if you're looking for something that's gentle and natural. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this product definitely provides good quality for its price, but it's best suited for those who want a more natural brow look rather than dramatic, ultra-tamed brows. The natural ingredients and lightweight formula are great, but if you're looking for a super strong hold, you might want to explore other options in the market that are more affordable. Speaking of alternatives, if you're on a budget but still want a solid brow gel, you might want to check out products from brands like Maybelline or ELF, which offer similar performance at a fraction of the price. However, if you're after something that's a bit more high-end and gentle on the skin, this could definitely be worth the splurge. Overall, iredale PureBrow Brow Gel does exactly what it promises. It shapes, grooms, and thickens with a natural finish that works for everyday wear. I wouldn't say it's the perfect product for everyone. If you need a more intense hold or have unruly brows, this might not be your top choice. But if you want natural, full brows with just the right amount of flexibility, this gel is definitely worth considering. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.